Say find the quadratic equation whose roots are -1/2 and -4. So if you have to do that, you make use of letter, to represent the variable of the equation. So for instance, if I'm to use x now, I'll just say it then implies that x equal to -1/2 or x equal to -4. Okay, so they say and s equal to -4. So we want to form the equation now. If the two answers gives -1/2 and -4. So here, if I cross multiply, I have 2x equal to -1 and x equal to -4. Bringing this one here, you have 2x plus 1 equal to 0 and x plus 4 equal to 0. Then you multiply the two. Multiply this one and this. So put this in bracket, this also in bracket. This times this, I have 2x plus 1 times s plus 4 equal to 0 times 0, that gives 0. Then you expand. So now to expand, I have 2x times x will give me 2x squared. 2x times plus 4, that gives plus 8x. This times this will give me plus x. Then we have 1 times 4, that's plus 4, equal to 0. Okay, so plus 8x plus s, they are like terms. So I can combine the two. So I have 2x squared plus 9x plus 4 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation that gives these two roots. Okay, so it means when you solve this quadratic equation using any method, you have the answer to be -1/2 and -4. Now the second question, yes, is the table below shows the frequency distribution of the number of pets in 25 houses. You can see the table. Okay. Now we have 3 houses with just 1 pet. 5 houses with 2 pets, 7 houses with 3 pets, like that. Okay, so the first question says we should find the mode of the distribution. When we talk about mode means the number that occur most. Okay, so of course you can see that the highest frequency, the one with the highest frequency here is 7. So the number that occur most in this case is 3. So you have to be careful. The mode is not 7. It is the frequency of the mode that helps us to know where the mode is. So the highest frequency, you can see the highest number here is 7. It is this one that is the mode, not 7. So if I'm to write the answer now, I will say mode equal to 3. Because if I'm to write all this out, I'm going to write 1 3 times. 1 1 1. I will write 2 5 times. 2 2 2 2 2. I will write 3 7 times. It means 3 will appear, 7 times more than every other number. That's why 3 is called the mode. Now B says the median of the distribution. When we talk about median, we are talking about the number that fall at the center. Okay, well, we don't need to write all the 25 numbers out here. It will waste our time. But we can actually look for the median position using this formula. You see median position. You just say n plus 1 over 2. Okay, so n is the total frequency, and that's 25 houses. So 25 plus 1 over 2. So we have 26 over 2. If you divide this, give us 13. So it means the 13th number represents the median. So how can I get the 13th number? Of course, the numbers are already arranged in order. Can you see? In ascending order. So I will just add up the frequency until I get to 13. Okay, so if I'm to add up now, say 3 plus 5, that's 8. So to get 13, we need addition of 5. Of course, this is 7. It's even more than the 5 I need. Definitely, it implies that my median will definitely fall here. Because it's when I add the frequency 5 of this, 5 from here to the 8 here, then I get my 13. So definitely the median is also 3. So that's the median. Now when we now talk about the mean, okay, the mean, we have a formula for that. Mean equals to summation of fs over summation of f. Better still, we can just form a table for that to make use of the uh, formula. So this number of pets will now represent my x. The f is the frequency. Okay, if I write all these data, we have 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the frequency for each, we have 3, 5, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then to get fx, fx is the product of s and f. So you multiply the entries of s by the corresponding entry of f to get fx. So in this case, we say 1 times 3, that gives 3. 2 times 5 will give me 10. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 3 is 15. So 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 1 is 7. Alright. So then the next thing to do is to add up. So we have summation of fx. So I'm going to add up the entries there. So if I add up 3 plus 10 plus 21 plus 16 plus 15 plus 20, 12 plus 7. So you can do that addition. I think it's going to give 80, 84. 84. You can confirm that. It's going to give 84. 3 plus 10 is 13. 13 plus 21. We have 34 plus 16. That's 50. Plus 15, that's 16, 65 plus 12, that's 77 plus 7, that's 80, 84. So we have 84. And summation of f is definitely 25. If you add it up, it's already given the question. So to now get the mean, we call it s bar. So the mean is summation of fs, as you can see in the formula, over summation of f. Summation of fx is 84 over summation of f, which is 25. How many 25 can I see in 84? We have 3 of it. So that's 75. So 84 minus 75 will give me what? Give me 9. Okay? We have 9 over 25. So we have 3 over 9 over 25 as the mean. Or you can as well write it as 3.36. Okay? 3.36 is also the mean in decimal form. Alright?